अंग्रेजी सीखने का सही तरीका इस वीडियो के माध्यम से आपको मैं बताऊंगा ना। आसान बनाने का तरीका है इसको कला की जैसे
अंग्रेजी
देखो। एक भाषा या अंग्रेजी एक कम्युनिकेशन है,
तो
उसका
इंग्लिश
डिफरेंस
इज
इस
अ
वीडियो के
लैंग्वेज
माध्यम
बट
से
इट
आपको
इज
मैं
इजी
शेयर
टू
करूंगा। acquire English language in the way that when we treat as art। एक कला की जैसे अगर अंग्रेजी सीखेंगे तो अंग्रेजी सीखना आसान। Let us make our English learning easy and memorable. Today in this video, very important thing I'm going to share with you। एक महत्वपूर्ण बातें आपके साथ मैं साझा करूंगा। I'm going to share and I hope you will listen and you will respond it। My question is to you, is it same communication and English? क्या इंग्लिश और कम्युनिकेशन सेम है? If you are a learner, if you want to speak in English, you have to distinguish and you have to know that difference between communication and English. Of course, as a communication master and guide and trainer, let me put some lights on this communication and English. Yes, English is just a language. English is just a language, but communication is an art. It is an art. Communication एक कला है, but English is a language. Here we get stuck. यहाँ पे हम अटक जाते हैं. If somebody approach to learn English as a language, already he has restricted so many ways। बहुत सारे ऐसे बातों को उन्होंने अपने जीवन में restricted किया। It is very difficult for him to learn or speak in English or to get fluency. It takes very longer time. Sooner you understand, it will help you that communication and English is too much different. Communication is different and English is different. For that, if you want to learn English, if you want to learn a language, then you have to approach as an art। ये एक कला की जैसे अगर आप देखेंगे, then automatically you have prepared yourself to learn language in right ways and right path। You are in right path। But if you think that अगर ये आप सोच रहे हैं, you want to speak in English, you want to acquire language, but still as a language, that means still मुझे अंग्रेजी ही सीखना है, ये विचारधारा अगर आपकी है, then I can tell you that you have to rectify it। मुझे एक कला सीखना है। I want to learn an art। I want to learn an art। And here it comes the principles। यहाँ पे आता है एक कोई भी कला सीखने के लिए कोई जो कलाकार जो होता है, कोई जो एक स्किल को एक्वायर करना चाहता है, उनकी लाइफ में ऑलरेडी कुछ चीज़ों को रिलेट कर पाता। एंड व्हाट ही हैज टू डू एंड व्हाट स्टेप ही हैज टू टेक, ही ऑलरेडी he has some information and he or she will adapt the things very easily and quickly। but if somebody wants to learn a language और इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज अगर सीखना है, उस मेंटलिटी से अगर वो सीखने की प्रयास करता है, उनके लिए मुश्किल जाता है। बिकॉज लैंग्वेज सीखने के लिए कोई भी प्रिंसिपल या कोई ऐसे माध्यम की उतना ज़रूरत नहीं रहता। ऑटोमेटिक प्रोसेस वी लर्न लैंग्वेज। बट व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट आर्ट, व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट कला, उसके लिए कुछ प्रिंसिपल को अडॉप्ट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है। दैट्स व्हाट आई एम्फसाइज इन दिस वीडियो। आई एनकरेज यू इन दिस वीडियो दैट्स इफ यू वांट समबडी deliberately, you want to learn, you want to acquire English language, don't approach as a language to learn, but approach as art, as a skill। और कला सीखने के लिए and those process, those requirement जो है you cannot avoid that. कोई भी आपको अगर कला सीखना है, then you cannot avoid. If when you start avoiding those principles, when you break the rules, it will take lot of time to acquire, it will take lot of time to achieve those goals. That's what many occasion this confusion is, lot of us we are confused. इसमें बहुत सारे confuse होते हैं with English and language, or whether English is a language or English is a communication. I can encourage you is that I can encourage you that English is language, but you have to approach English to acquire as a art, as a art means कला, कला की जैसे उसको आपको देखना है. And rule is that consistency matters. आपको consistency होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. You are not supposed to stop. You are not supposed to hurt yourself. आपको stagnant आप रह नहीं सकते. The moment you are stagnant, that moment you have stopped learning, because you want to learn English in wrong ways, wrong methods. कंसिस्टेंसी इट्स मैटर. आपको निरंतरता बहुत ही ज़रूरी है. निरंतरता के साथ व्हेन यू अप्रोच, जब निरंतरता के साथ व्हेन यू कंसिस्टेंसी, व्हेन यू मेंटेन कंसिस्टेंसी, योर फ्लुएंसी एंड योर learning, it's become easier and memorable. And another point is that restriction of the locations. आप अगर locations को restrict करेंगे, if you search only opportunities instead of creator of opportunities, that will be another big challenge for you. That you don't restrict it किसी लोगों के साथ, किसी स्थान के साथ, किसी भी बातों में you are not supposed to restrict it. That's what it is matter, that you are learning art. आप एक आर्ट को सीख रहे हैं. That means art is to be performed. आर्ट को परफॉर्म की जाती है. The main purpose is that when you learn English, perfection के बाद आप नहीं बोल सकते. You have to start when you are imperfect, when you have a low confidence, when you have a fear, when you have a you don't have a courage that much. That time you have to start. That time you have to, वो जो समय रहता है वही समय रहता है अंग्रेजी सीखने का. That's what consistency, and don't restrict it the locations, that whether it with the person, whether it's with the locations, where it is with anything else. That's what एक artist का जो life को जब हम देखते हैं, many artists, if you see them, gradually what they have done it here, they have learned the language very perfect. If you talk about singers, what they do, वो language वो उनको नहीं आता है, but still we consider that because they accept it as art. एक कला की जैसे वो दिखते हैं. That's why they are able to easily able to sing a song like Sonu Nigam and like Udit Narayan. These are the renowned persons. What they have done is that though they don't know language, they have sing a song in many languages. Similarly, when you approach your English learning as an art, it will become very easy to understand and adapt, and your mind and your heart will support. Many occasions when they comes to me, I talk to them कि आपको कैसे अंग्रेजी सीखना है. They get lot of confusion, and they are not convinced that that's where they are going to acquire the language. That's what very important, very very important. That's when you want to speak in English, you think about, don't approach as a language, but approach as an art. कला की जैसा उसको आप देखो, और देखो आपकी लाइफ में जो हम सीखते हैं एक कला की जैसे, डेफिनेटली सीखने वालों की हार नहीं होता, बट not like a language, but it should be like an art. That could be the message, and I hope you have understood. If you are a beginner, if you are a learner, if you are a professional, you want to speak in English, guys, start and look into the process as a art, not as a language. I hope, guys, you have understood, and if anything else, I'm there to see your comments, drop your comments. Yes, I expect that the day will come. This all videos will be very useful for many of the uh, many of my friends. Those they are following me, and this video is for even upcoming futures. I am dead sure. I believe that. I believe that learning destination is going to grow. Learning destination is going to reach to the many. गाइस, इसके लिए आपके सपोर्ट एंड आपके love it is needed, and I hope that like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.